Lodge, and I'm going to show you what a 5 and a 3-year-old could do in the water park. Kids are going to get measured. Cooper is 44 inches. They can both go in the wave pool. So Kaya is 38 inches, and this is an area where she can go on the slides by herself. Not tall enough for the slide up here, but she can run around all she wants. We are just floating down the lazy river. Activity everyone can do. We are on the lazy river. I hope a bucket doesn't dump on us. Oh god. Very close. This is one of the pools that the kids can use. So it's a little past 9 a.m. The line is not busy. The next ride we're going on is the Woolly Mammoth. It's a tube ride and all 4 of us can fit on it. So this is the Woolly Mammoth, which kids of all ages can do, as long as they're accompanied by an adult. Whoa! What do you think, Kaya? There are actually 3 tube rides that Cooper can go on. He can go on the Vortex, he can go on Eagle Falls, and he can go on Bobcat Falls. He's a little bit too small for Grizzly Falls. You have to be 48 inches for that one. And Kaya at 38 inches is too small for these tube rides. So she's gone back to the little kids water slides. We're on Bobcat Falls!
As you can see, there is so much for a 3-year-old and a 5-year-old to do in the water park at Great Wolf Lodge. My kids love it there, and there is no doubt that we will be going back.